Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both phones. Update WhatsApp on Android and confirm a recent local backup. This preserves media and messages for export. Make sure the iPhone is new or reset, because move to iOS requires a clean device. Connect the two devices using a USB-C to Lightning cable. Once connected, open Move to iOS on Android and follow its prompts to transfer data. Doing this now saves time later, because Move to iOS hands off the WhatsApp archive to the iPhone installer. Once connected, use Move to iOS and select WhatsApp in the data list. This instructs Android to package chats and media for the iPhone. Keep both phones awake and on stable power, because large archives take longer, estimate 10 to 60 minutes based on size. When Move to iOS finishes, install WhatsApp on the iPhone, but do not open it until prompted. Then open WhatsApp and follow the on-screen import steps so your transferred archive is detected and restored correctly. You finish by verifying your phone number inside WhatsApp and allowing time for the import to complete. This attaches the transferred archive to your iPhone account. Once done, check chats, group history, and media. Make sure to re-download any missing files from within chats. If something goes wrong, try the transfer again using the original cable and a factory reset iPhone, because Move to iOS requires a clean target. If repeated attempts fail, consider official WhatsApp support guidance or a trusted migration tool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.